Welcome to my channel CA Joyam. Today we shall discuss the 52nd GST Council 7th October recommendations and changes to be made in the GST Act. Please like and subscribe. Hi, happy Monday, back again. GST का अपडेट्स है 7 अक्टूबर 2023 को 52nd GST काउंसिल का मीटिंग हुआ। उसके तहत कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस लिया गया बट फर्स्ट अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज डेवलपमेंट 20% export tax has been levied on parboiled rice and minimum sale price of $1,200 per metric ton in case of basmati rice, which has made the rice exporters crash down on orders. It has reduced by almost 40% in 1 month alone in September. And on the other hand, the 52nd GST Council meeting recommends a lower GST rate of 5% on molasses and nil rate on pure blended alcohol for human consumption will carry nil rate. A very surprising recommendation. Molasses are not only used in alcohol units, it is used elsewhere also. So the lower GST should have been classified for food purposes and non-food purposes. Instead, it has been brought down across the table to 5% from 28%, and pure blended clear alcohol is exempt or nil rated GST rate as of now. Two very different approaches by the government. What it's trying to do, don't know. As of now, I'm yet to understand because it's just a 2 days old development. But there are certain other developments as per the GST Council meeting of 52nd GST Council meeting held on 7th October 2023, मतलब शनिवार को। अब उसके तहत बहुत सारे चेंजेस हैं, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वाले मैं आज डिस्कस कर लेता हूं, बाकी मेरे दूसरे वीडियो में आएगा। सबसे पहले जो जीएसटी एमनेस्टी है, अगर जीएसटी असेसमेंट ऑर्डर्स या शो कॉज ऑर्डर्स विच आर पास्ड अप टू मार्च 2023, नॉर्मली अपील पीरियड है विद इन 90 days ऑफ पासिंग द ऑर्डर, बट नाउ ऑल ऑर्डर्स पास्ड बाय द डिपार्टमेंट अप टू March 31st 2023 can be appealed against up to January 2024. पहले 10% डिपॉजिट के साथ अपील करना पड़ता था, अभी एनहांस्ड डिपॉजिट ऑफ 12.5% देना पड़ेगा। बहुत सारे जन को नॉलेज नहीं रहता, या प्रैक्टिशनर्स के पास टाइम नहीं रहता, या क्लाइंट्स उनके पास डिटेल्स लेके नहीं पहुंचते, तो ये सूरत में वो 90 डेज का पीरियड अगर लैप्स हो गया तो ये एक नया जीएसटी एमनेस्टी आया हुआ है। नाउ ऑल ऑर्डर्स विच आर पास्ड अप टू 31st March 2023 कैन बी अपील्ड अगेंस्ट up to January 2024 with enhanced deposit of 12.5%, मतलब 2.5% से डिपॉजिट बढ़ गया। आपका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कैश लेजर शुड बी डेबिटेड by 20% of the disputed tax और 12.5% का 20% से डेबिट होना चाहिए while you are making the appeal. So everybody can take benefit of this extended period also. दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट चेंज जो बहुत बड़ा इंपैक्ट रखने वाला है, जब कोई कंपनी लोन लेता है बैंक से, कैश क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी, ओडी फैसिलिटी, मॉर्गेज लोन, टर्म लोन, कंपनी के डायरेक्टर्स को गारंटी देना पड़ता है। तो जो पर्सनल गारंटी दिया जाता है विदाउट कंसिडरेशन विल नॉट कैरी एनी जीएसटी, इट इज जीरो, इट इज एग्जेम्प्ट if it is not for consideration. If consideration is paid, then GST is leviable. For corporate guarantee, GST is now leviable. Holding company to subsidiary company, company as a whole giving guarantee to its subsidiary or to its directors or for any other related entities, corporate guarantee will now attract a GST levy of 18%. पर 18% किस पे? 1% of the corporate guarantee or consideration paid, whichever is higher, उस पे 18% का जीएसटी अभी लेविएबल है on corporate guarantees. Personal guarantee, if it is not carrying any consideration, then it is exempt. Otherwise, that is also taxable now. Corporate guarantees are taxable, so the value of the consideration will be 1% of the corporate guarantee amount और consideration paid for obtaining such guarantee whichever is higher, उस पे 18% GST अभी लगने वाला है. अब the council is proposing to avail ITC by exporters in case of payments received or made in Vostro account. Nostro और Vostro है, my account with you Nostro, your account with us Vostro. Then in such cases, exporters who are paying into the Vostro account can avail ITC credit, but the broad guidelines of the percentage and the quantum of ITC will be released later. These are the brief and major gist of the GST Council recommendation. There are more such material and immaterial additions made, which I will discuss separately in a later video, making it easy for you to understand the entire process. Go through the PowerPoint presentation as usual, my favorite way of presenting. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and yes, when you're communicating, send me your mail ID in case you need the soft copy of the PowerPoint presentation for you to understand. I will be happy to help. Have a nice Monday, have a nice week ahead.